Welcome everyone, Storm Stocked Off-Road Machine here. Today we went out to Eagleview 4-wheel drive park. Shout out to Brenton, the owner. He ended up letting us test out a new track that he was building. This is it here. It's just a little short video introducing the track. It was an absolute epic track.
How many people
Great
were
fun.
behind you?
Can't wait till it's finished. We're definitely going to go back there and drive it again, and muchly again and again and again. It's an absolutely epic track. Nice technical sections, little rock climbs. Can't wait for it to be finished.
What happened to the crew going first?
Sonic went, we got
No, I tell everyone where we're going next. We just wanted to make sure we tested the track first before any of you got stuck. Copy that.
big rock there. You want to go further left? That truck, Chucky.
As you just seen there, great people around you to spot you and make sure you get through things safely. It's the best thing that you can have, and always make sure you have a UHF outside of the vehicle so you can keep constant communication so no accidents happen along the way, and if it does, rescue isn't too far away.
A bit of a steep angle, really awkward.
The driver in this car was that impressed with the track and the fact that it was that technical that a little bit of curse words were said, so I had to censor it out.
He's gonna have to take the inside line.
Yeah, he's going to have to go across.
Yep. The other boys are just playing on the track.
Have to swing it this way. Nice and slow here.
Mate, your recovery points have got it in for the track. Alright, get him, swing it over and hug the inside. He's going to need to be navigated. He's
As you
too
can see,
big.
we tested it with different types of vehicles when we had permission to do this track. A 2-inch lift is required to do it. We tested it in a lower vehicle, as you can see with the Amarok Lockers do help, but not necessary on this track. It makes it a lot easier with lockers. So guys, keep in mind, if you're going to tackle this new track, experience and a minimum 2-inch lift is needed, and lockers is not needed, but it makes it a lot easier.
Hug this inside line on the way up. Doing pretty good for navigating for themselves. Everyone is doing a bloody great job of navigating this new track. Well done. I'm just watching the rocks trying to kill everyone today.
Trying to keep up with it, like, it's your way too much.
No, you're right. I navigate around everything fine.
I was trying to navigate the river, they just kept getting in front of me. I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
I'll stop if I need to.
Yep.
Bit tracking.
Look at that.
I would like to thank Brenton, the owner of Eagle View, once again for an epic day out, and thank you for letting us test out this new track. We had a lot of fun doing it, and we can't wait till it's finished, because we're going to absolutely enjoy getting down it, and hopefully a lot of other people do, and hopefully there's a lot more tracks like this still to come.